How to change the background color on your Instagram story. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to change the background color on your Instagram story. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. To create a new story we need to tap on the plus icon at the top, and in appearance menu we should click on Story. Now just choose Camera. Here just tap on option Create at the left corner. Now you can tap on the circle at the right bottom to change the background color. When you found color which you would like to use, just click on the Share White button on the screen. If you want a specific color, you need to tap on the three dots at the top right corner and choose Draw. At the bottom you can swipe to the left colors and find color that you appreciate. Also you can hold down any color, and here you can select any color that you like. When you picked the color, you need to tap on the middle of the screen and hold to fill the background with the color that you have selected. And then you need to tap on Done at the top right corner. And then you can add text, stickers and other features as usual. And that's all. It was how to change the background color on your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.